Hey, have you heard about ChatGPT? Binance, the big crypto company, thinks that ChatGPT could help make cryptocurrency more popular. Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, but just in case you fall a little behind, ChatGPT is a cool AI bot that gives human-like responses to your questions. It can explain things about blockchain and crypto, making it super easy for beginners to understand without feeling overwhelmed. The Binance team said if its capabilities evolve further, it can even predict how certain cryptocurrencies might behave in the future and help advanced users to build fancy trading bots and do other cool stuff. So you know why it's a big deal now? Honestly, ChatGPT is gonna change the game for crypto and beyond. If it really is like what Binance said it's going to boost the crypto adoption, then who knows? Maybe one day we'll all be buying our coffee with Bitcoin or Dogecoin. With ChatGPT, it's like having a personal crypto tutor who knows what other amazing things robots will be able to do in the future. We're one step closer to the CeFi world. How do you feel about it? Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.